Hey friends, artist resin here. Welcome back to my channel. So currently Diwali series is going on my channel. If you like it, please share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know more about such videos, and you can add your element too, but yeah, your subscribe helps me a lot to keep creating. So I'm back again with this beer tea light. So I'll do it layer by layer, as I had attempted for the first time. So I filled up the whole entire mold, and the resin just boiled and came out of the mold and just spread here all over. So I'm not repeating that mistake again, so I'll do it layer by layer. So I'll so I have kept my some clear stones ready. I'll fill up the mold with this a little bit, not much, and I'm doing it layer by layer, so I don't need to mix and same amount of resin. Okay, that is enough. I don't want it to be filled up entirely. I want it halfway. These are crushed stones, and you can get them from any resin supplier, or I'll just add the link in the description. And now I'll add some glitters, so they just go down through these stones. I've kept my resin ready too. Yes, okay. So some of the glitters have come out of the what is this box, but it's okay, I can use it still. So these are nice, a little bit of cockroach golden. I'll just empty the container here, and I'll add one more of these. This is the copper one. It's a bit light, and this is dark one. OMG. Must be coming through a lot of blenders, and I have done many blenders. Still I'm doing blender only. Okay, now I'll just speed up the process of mixing and pouring. Time for second layer. If the first layer is cured, and I've got my resin ready, and this is dark brown. I'll mix it with this, and I'll add some more crushed glass pieces in this mold. Then I'll add the resin, and we'll allow it to cure for 24 hours. Then we'll demold. So I'll be recording this process in fast forward.